ये बच्चों पिछले क्लास में सेल डिवीजन प्रोफेज बताया था। अब उसके कंटिन्यूएशन में मेटाफेज वन बताने जा रहा हूँ। इन दिस स्टेज द न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन डिसअपियर्स एंड द न्यूक्लियस degenerates, the spindle develops, and the chromosomes arrange themselves along the equator. The four chromosomes in two pairs are now attached to spindle fibers by two centromeres. Anaphase 1. In this stage, the chromosomes move towards the opposite pole by the formation of spindle fibers. Each chromosomes here to consist of two chromatids. During this force of repulsion towards opposite pole, the places of union chymata break, resulting into the interchange of different hereditary chromosomes. Telophase 1 and interkinesis. In this stage, the chromosomes reach on opposite poles and form the daughter nucleus. Each daughter nucleus receives on chromosomes of the such formed nucleus should be either of maternal or paternal origin. Second, now each of the daughter nuclei so formed soon undergoes a mitotic mode of division, and in it all the chromosomes split into two so that no reduction on a number takes place. This division takes place in the following steps. Prophase, prophase 2. In this stage, the two daughter nucleus of nuclei of first division becomes little more distinct. The two chromatids of each dead and tend to retain in some degree the divergent they first assumed in anaphase first, so that their association except at the kinetochore is usually looser than that observed in somatic prophase. Metaphase 2. In this stage, the chromosomes of each haploid daughter nucleus arrange themselves in equatorial plane. The centromere of all chromosomes forms the metaphase plate. At the end of the metaphase, the centromeres of each chromosomes divide and chromatids begin repel. Anaphase 2. In this stage, the repelling chromatid move towards opposite pole. The formation of spindle fibers. Telophase 2. In this stage, the repelled chromatids arrived at opposite poles. Their separalization, hydration, nuclear membrane and nuclei reticulum formation takes place, and hence four daughters nuclei are formed. Lastly, cytokinesis takes place and cell plates are formed at right angles. Thus, four daughter cells and formed as a result of meiosis. Then, significance of meiosis. The objective of reduction division meiosis is to keep the chromosomes number constant for all plants belonging to a particular species. The character of the present plant persist in the daughter plants in order to keep the parental characters in daughter plants. This type of division is very important during the formation of reproductive units, spores or gametes. When the spores mother cells or gametes mother cells divide to form daughter cells, a reduction in number of chromosomes takes place during the process, each daughter cell thus receiving only half the original number of chromosomes. This division enables the plant to pass from the generation to other. In the sporophytic generation, the number of chromosomes is 2x, that means diploid, and to pass into gametophytic generation, reduction in number of chromosomes takes place so that that each of the gametophytic generation has got only x number of chromosomes. So the phenomenon of meiosis is most essential for completing the life history of a plant.